January is a funny month. On one hand, it's a bit gloomy, still dark and cold, but on the other, it's also a really good time for contemplation and for feeling optimistic about the year ahead. And one of the most inspirational things about this time of year is the winter light, when the sun is still low in the sky, creating a lovely ethereal atmosphere that can sometimes stay with you all day. If you happen to be near water, then even better, as prisms of light reflect and glitter across it, creating a kaleidoscope of colours. It's these colours that have motivated me to create a really wonderful, vibrant arrangement for this week. The lead flower is the Balthazar chrysanthemum, or bloom as I like to call them. So much easier to say. And it's an absolute cracker with its vibrant yellow centre, which is the perfect colour match for the purple petals around the outside. The blooms are accompanied by waxflower, and it's the only time we're using waxflower this year due to its short season, and I absolutely love it. Try crushing one to see for yourself, and you'll also release its incredible lemony scent. So don't be unsure about January. It might still seem a bit murky, but there's plenty of hope out there in the winter skies and the pink sunsets. Just stop, take a moment and think of the cheerful, mighty Balthazar and his magnificent, optimistic bloom.